Okay, I welcome to my English lesson. Today we are going to study the question format. When we get the question, we want to change, we want to get into positive sentence. The sentence which will be taken with positive sentence or question. Earlier we have studied how can we make the question from the given positive sentence. Today I have brought some question. From the question we are going to make the positive sentence, or from the question I am going to change another question based on the present simple or past simple. So dear students, very careful. Today I am going to give some question which is based on past simple. If I give the question with past tense, simple past, can you change into present simple? Anyone from you? Can you raise your hands? Very good. So I am going to give some question based on past simple. The question will be given using with did. The question will start. Did you go there? Did you meet him? Did you come here? Did you play cricket? Did he sing a song? Did they run to school? Did you live in Canada? Did you come to Jaffna? Did you go to Karampo? So did, that is the helping verb using for simple past tense. Like this, you want to change and show your sentence patterns based on present tense, present simple. So dear students, very careful. I like to give the question with example, not example, that exercise. From the exercise you can find out, you can learn a lot. So today I have decided to bring out some question part for your better understanding. So now you can see I am going to give some question based on simple past. The question will be started with did, D-I-D. So your expectation, your chance so should be expected by me here. Later you can understand what will you do. The question will be there. The question will guide you. The heading of the question will guide you what have to do. Okay, now let's start and look at the board. Okay, start. Rewrite the question into simple present. You are going to write, rewrite, திரும்ப எழுத போறீர்கள், the question into simple present. Very important, simple present. Okay, now you see. First one, the question is there, which is considered with past simple. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? நீ உன்னுடைய கைகளை கழுவினியா? So the season is based on corona season, no? So that's why I have started this question. Did you wash your hands? நீ உன்னுடைய கைகளை கழுவினியா அல்லது நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய கைகளை கழுவினீர்களா? So in this case you have to know, you have to understand the question has been started with did. Then subject has been given, you. Later third point was. Did you wash? நீ கழுவினியா? Yes. If you can get this question, what will you do? You can check the heading. What's that? Rewrite the question into simple present. You are going to change this question into simple present. Simple present. You know well, when you start your simple present, what will you do? As the helping verb, do or does. You know well. Earlier, you have studied. So here, dear students, in the present, simple present, do or does should be taken as the helping verb. Subject as plural, we want to write do. Subject as singular, we want to write does in front of subject. So that's why we can write. So subject as plural, you. I, we, you, they. Those subject will contain do as subject, so as helping verb. So you is here. So what's the helping verb? Do. Do you wash your hands? That's all. This question is based on present simple. So do you wash your hands? நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய கைகளை கழுவுகிறீர்களா? Okay, that's why. In this way, you can follow other type of question. Yes? Yes, dear student. Now you see. Second question. Did he run to school? Did Kamala dance well? Did your children study English? Did Mohan send invitation? They are. Did they write a letter? Did the boys sing a song? Did you talk about your problems? Did your brother live in Kandy? Did mother communicate with you? So all the sentences have been started with did as helping verb. The first sentence, first word will be taken with did. So second place is available with subject, and third place with verb 1, that is a present tense. For an example, did you wash? I can write it. Did you wash? So did wash. Did you wash? Ni kaliviniya. Did as the helping verb, wash is the verb 1. Next one. Did he run to school? அவன் பாடசாலைக்கு ஓடினானா? Third. Did Kamala dance well? கமலா நன்றாக ஆடினாளா? Number 4. Did your children study English? பிள்ளைகள் ஆங்கிலம் படித்தார்களா? Next, number 5. Did Mohan send invitation there? Mohan அங்கே invitation அனுப்பினானா? Number 6. Did they write a letter? அவர்கள் ஒரு கடிதம் எழுதினார்களா? Number 7. Did the boys sing a song? Okay, boys ஒரு பாடல் பாடினார்களா? Did you talk about your problems? நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய பிரச்சனைகளை பற்றி கதைத்தீர்களா? Did you talk? Number 9. Did your brother live in Kandy? உங்களுடைய சகோதரன் கண்டியில் வாழ்ந்தானா? Did mother communicate with you? மது உன்னுடன் அல்லது உங்களுடன் communicate பண்ணினானா, தொடர்பாடல் செய்தானா? So that's why all the sentences are based on with past tense, past simple. So our duty, we want to change the sentence into simple present. So we can make the question. In the first sentence I have given the chance to understand. From the first sentence we can make the question for the present simple. The next, number 2, second, what will you do? Second, did he run? This is the past tense form and run is here. So he is the singular. So immediately you can write do or does. What word is possible here? Very good. Does. D-O-E-S. Does he run to school? அவன் பாடசாலைக்கு ஓடுகிறானா? Okay, next. Did Kamala dance well? We want to write Kamala is the singular. So we can write does. Does Kamala dance well? So dear students, I have given those examples. You can follow other activities well. Your promotion is very necessary. You can follow my technical idea here. Let's see the answer. Do you want time? Yes, I will provide 1 minute. You can start. Yes, there are simple ideas given by me. Later you want to understand the scheme. What are the schemes available here? So you can look at the board. I have brought the answers. That answers will help you. Now you can see. Did you wash your hands? Which is given by me earlier. Which was given by me. Did you wash your hands? உங்களுடைய கைகளை கழுவினீர்களா? You can make the sentence as present simple with a question. How can you make the question? So you have found the subject as you. So you can take do as helping verb. Do you wash your hands? Next one. Did he run to school? அவன் பாடசாலைக்கு ஓடினானா? Did he run to school? He is the subject and singular. So does he run to school? Because of the he. அவன் பாடசாலைக்கு ஓடுகிறானா? Did Kamala dance well? கமலா நன்றாக ஆடினாளா? Because of the past tense. So your present tense, present simple. Does Kamala dance well? Kamala is the singular. So we want to write does. Does Kamala dance well? Did your children study English? Did your children study English? Your children. That is the plural. உங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகள். So we want to write do in front of subject. Do your children study English? Understand? Excellent. Mohan. Mohan is the singular. Okay, did is the past tense. So Mohan is the singular. What is the helping verb? Does. Does Mohan send invitation there? So in this way you can prepare the sentence. I like expect from you. You will follow me. I like to give the chance, but time is going. In the future, I may give lot of example. At the same time, the balance of the sentence available here. Balance of the sentence. Now you can see. Did they write a letter? அவர்கள் ஒரு கடிதம் எழுதினார்களா? So they is the plural. They, I can write it there, no? They. So the helping verb should be taken do. So do they write a letter? அவர்கள் ஒரு கடிதம் எழுதுகிறார்களா? In the past tense, then next question, did boys, பையன்கள், the boys, பையன்கள். So that's a plural. So we want to write do in front of the subject. The boys are plural. So we can write do here. Then you, did you talk about your problems? நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய ப்ராப்ளங்களை பற்றி கதைத்தீர்களா? So you, what's the helping verb? Do. Yes. Do you talk about your problems? நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய பிரச்சனைகளை பற்றி கதைக்கிறீர்களா? Do you talk? Next, your brother. Did your brother live in Kandy? உங்களுடைய சகோதரன் கண்டியில் வாழ்கிறானா? Yes. Your brother is a singular, no? Does your brother, very good, does your brother live in Kandy? உங்களுடைய சகோதரன் கண்டியில் வாழ்கிறானா? Last question, mother. Mother is the singular. So did mother communicate with you? Mother உங்களுடன் communicate பண்ணினானா? The past tense. Okay, mother is a singular. What is the helping verb? Does. Does mother communicate with you? Mother உங்களுடன் communicate பண்ணுகிறானா? So dear students, we have understood two tenses, past tense, present tense. When I explain, I have given the chance to understand in Tamil meaning. What is the tense? One sentence has been given action. Another, so the do does sentence will be taken with present tense. The action usually happen. So from those 10 sentences you have understood the question format. I think the question will be taken through this idea. So past tense simple past will be taken with did as the helping verb. Present tense will be taken do does as the helping verb, which should be written in front of subject, which is appeared there. So dear students, don't worry, you can follow my idea. First of all, you can see what type of sentence. Sometimes they will provide you the time, year, or sometimes you can see looking at the verb. The verb will provide you the tense, time will provide the tense, year, date will be provided the time, tense. So understanding the situation, you can write the sentence. And what is the helping verb? possible there. If you can take the did, you can come to the conclusion that is a past tense. If you can take do does, you can come to the conclusion with present tense. So that's why I have given different experience to you. Through the past tense, past simple, you have given the chance, you have understood present simple. If I can give the past tense, you can promote the sentence, convert the sentence into present tense. If I can give the present tense sentence, you can convert into past tense. Those are different examples, and it will be very valuable for each and everyone. You can understand. I think it is the basic thing, but it is it has contained a lot of idea. When you see your several activities, especially your reading task, these type of activities, sentences, skills, everything will be appeared there. That time you will think of mine. So dear students, don't worry. There, from those 10 sentences, you have understood how can you make the present tense question, how can you make the past tense question. So at the same time, I have given in your mother tongue meaning. So when I give the meaning, you can understand, oh, this is a tense, what type of tenses available. I have given the task to you. So we can move to the next activity. Very important. I like to give the task. Don't forget. It is very valuable, and this is enough for you. I can move to the very important task. You can see. You are going to write, no? This is the writing part available later. Okay, now you see. So dear students, this question has been taken by me from your final exam paper. That question paper has contained those type of questions, especially your grammatical skills. At the same time, you have to show your skills, write your activities well. So from these activities, you are going to get different knowledge. There are two specific knowledge available here. First one, you are going to get the chance how to write the sentence, and you are going to get the facts, the specific idea, and your language skills, content value, and your punctuation mark. The next activity is very necessary. They have allocated 5 marks for this small activity. From this sentence, you can write using with your grammar knowledge as well as your facts, contents. So those things should be considered at the exam panel. So dear student, now I am going to give the task. You can see. From this task, you can write in your own. Actually, this is a small paragraph which is based on 50 or 40 words. 50 or 40 or 60 words. Minimum 40 words. Now you can see. Look at the board. Write a short paragraph on one of the following. Use about 50 to 60 words. write a short paragraph, very important. Short paragraph, short or சிறிய paragraph. On one of the following, they have provided two paragraph idea, heading, two headings available. Choosing your own, which you on, you are going to choose one heading and write a paragraph based on the heading. So they have provided two headings. Books are my friends. Books are my friends. புத்தகங்கள் என்னுடைய நண்பர்கள். So in the present time, we have to believe everything through our books. Books are good friends. So that's why books are my friends. புத்தகங்கள் என்னுடைய நண்பர்கள். This is the one heading. And next, number 2, learning English is fun. ஆங்கிலம் கற்பது ஒரு சந்தோஷமான விடயம். Yes, or fun, learning English. So from these two sentences, two heading, you are going to get one heading and write a paragraph, with 50 or 60 words, 50 to 60 words, 50 or 60 words. Okay, now you can see, dear students, what is a heading? Those headings are very valuable, but everyone can write choosing from this heading, from the heading. So let's see what's the heading there. They have given as the answers there. Now you can see. Yes, the first heading is available here. Books are my friends. புத்தகங்கள் என்னுடைய நண்பர்கள். Dear student, now you can see, when I explain, I like to give in Tamil meaning. Tamil meaning also is available. You can see. I can read with a grammatical idea, and later I like to give the Tamil meaning. So when we decide the sentence, we want to write accurately, with meaningfully. Step by step, we want to control the words, because we don't give the chance for the error correction. We can write perfected one. So that from this heading is very necessary. Everyone can write some sentences based on this heading. So today I have selected this heading to give small paragraph, one by one. Then after finishing this idea, you can write using with helping verb, using with linking words. Clear? Conjunction is very available. Later that is considered there. That will be considered. Now you can see under this heading what is the sentence there. The first sentence, now you see the heading. What is the heading, dear students? Tell me. Books are my friends. புத்தகங்கள் என்னுடைய நண்பர்கள். The sentence is there. First one. Books are very necessary in everyone's life. புத்தகங்கள் மிகவும் அவசியமானவை ஒவ்வொருவருடைய வாழ்க்கையிலும் புத்தகங்கள் மிகவும் அவசியமானவை. Books are very necessary in everyone's life. ஒவ்வொருவருடைய வாழ்க்கையிலும். Everyone's, apostrophe s, everyone's, ஒவ்வொருவருடைய வாழ்க்கை. Books are very necessary. So books are very necessary. Forwards. Books are necessary. Then when we write one word adding there, what is that? Books are very necessary. One word will be added there. Now you see, books are very necessary in everyone's life. ஒவ்வொருடைய வாழ்க்கையிலும் புத்தகம் மிகவும் அவசியம். Because in the present situation we have to deal with books. We are getting multi knowledge, different knowledge, and valuable knowledge from these books. So I have suggested books are very necessary. The educational world will be available using with sentence. That's why I have created powerful sentence. Clear? So from this sentence, the grammar is okay, no mistake, and content, validity is very okay, proper way. I have started. The starting position has been taken with a heading. Because of the heading, books are my friends. So books are very necessary in everyone's life. Second sentence, we can't live without reading habit in the world. We cannot, முடியாது. We can't live without reading habit in the world. எங்களால் இந்த உலகத்தில் reading habit இல்லாமல் வாழ முடியாது. So that necessary of the item available here, no? We can't live, yes, without reading habit in the world. So the world people expect the reading habits. Third sentence, because we get valuable knowledge from them. ஏனென்றால் நாங்கள் பெறுமதியான knowledge-ஐ அவற்றிலிருந்து பெறுகிறோம். So that those are our friends. So from this reason we can understand books are my friends. So they have given the reason, because we get valuable knowledge, பெறுமதியான knowledge, அறிவு from the knowledge. Next, and we can change our behavior through them. The second thing also provided here, we can change our behavior. Behavior என்று சொன்னால் நடத்தை, through them, அவற்றினூடாக. So we can change, மாற்றலாம். We can change our behavior. எங்களுடைய behavior-ஐ மாற்றலாம் through them. இவற்றினூடாக. What is them? Anyone from you? Excellent, books. Very good. We can change our behavior through them, through books. Clear? Yes. In fact, உண்மையில் they guide us towards the positive attitudes like friends. No? We want to consider friends, no? From this sentence, because of the content value. They guide us towards the positive attitudes. In this sentence is positive attitudes mean நேரான மனப்பாங்குகள். Guide mean வழிகாட்டு, towards நோக்கி. So they guide us towards the positive attitudes. இவை எங்களுடைய positive attitudes நோக்கி வழிகாட்டுகிறது. Okay, so that is we can prove those are my friends, real friends. That is why the reason is there. So step by step sentence is given here. Later we can understand, oh, those are my friends. Yes. Next one. Our parents and teachers help us to read books daily. So, two persons are very important here. Our parents and teachers help us to read books daily. பெற்றோர்களும் ஆசிரியர்களும் வழிகாட்டுகிறார்கள் தினமும் வாசிக்கிறதுக்கு. Clear? So that is a guidance. That is our guidance. Who are the guide for us? You can know. However, எப்படி என்றால் we get good life through this book. எப்படி என்றால் நாங்கள் புத்தகத்திலிருந்து நல்ல வாழ்க்கையை பெறுகிறோம். Like our friends. So we get good life through these books. However, this is the conclusion. So, dear students, we want to count how many words there are. Later we can count it. So, I love my books very much. I love my books very much. நான் என்னுடைய புத்தகங்களை மிகவும் லவ் பண்ணுகிறேன், விரும்புகிறேன். So, dear students, it is very wonderful paragraph which is based on books. Books are my friends. So, in this case, they have given one mistake. After writing the paragraph, the end of the chance, end of the time, they should give the connection between the friends. But they did not give the connection, no? I have brought this scheme from another book. So when I read this paragraph, you can understand the grammar knowledge, punctuation, content value. From the content value, they will expect where is friends, where is your friend. So those sentences should be connected with friends. Dear students, from this way you can prepare wonderful paragraph step by step. Books are very necessary in everyone's life. We can't live without reading habit in the world because we get valuable knowledge from them and we can change our behavior through them. In fact, they guide us towards the positive attitudes. Our parents and teachers help us to read books daily. However, we get good life through these books. So, I love my books very much. So, dear students, for a long time, you have understood the grammar knowledge. Following the grammar knowledge, I have given the chance to give more knowledge from this paragraph. If I can give a heading, suitable heading, you can write based on the heading. First one, you should understand what do they expect. Then second thing, you want to collect information based on the heading. Later you can consider the grammatical task. Finally, you want to bring out the idea conclusion part. Those things should be collaborated and you want to give the chance to make others interesting. So that's why I have prepared, I have given this sentence as paragraph for your better knowledge. So you can follow. I think one heading has been taken by me. The next heading is waiting for you. Can you write it? Yes, only 50 words. So from your verb, from your sentence, you can write only 50 words, and maximum you can write only 60 words. So if I give the heading, you can analyze. Okay, you can get a paper, rough paper, and write it quickly. Then you want to decide how many words are available there, and you want to write beautifully. Later you can count the numbers of the words and write it if you like, not necessary. So dear students, in the present simple and past simple, those will help you to write a lot. In your essay writing, note writing, and your notice, letters, everything expects this valuable knowledge. When you write your task, you should consider the grammatical attitudes. That's why before giving this example of the question, I have explained the grammatical activity. After giving the grammatical activity, you have collaborated with paragraph in your own. So many of you show your colors to write yourself the paragraph. I did not expect, because time is going. Using the time, you should work hard. Later, in your final time, you can show your colors there. So today I have given very precious knowledge. You can, so from the sentence you can make the question. How to make the question with present simple and past simple, and later using the sentence, how can you collaborate or design the sentence based on the positive sentence. It will help you to promote your paragraph writing, your essay writing. This is the small paragraph writing. It contains, from this question only you can get 5 marks. Accurately you can get 5 marks. So dear student, don't worry. I like to help you a lot, but we have no time. So in the future, if I have time, definitely I will bring out all the question from your first part question and also the second part. From those questions, you can maximum you can get more than 90 marks. So dear student, don't worry. Step by step I will go very slow because of you. Many of you ask me to go from this idea, from this task with very slow. That's why I am going very slow. Don't worry. I like to meet you later. If I have chance, I can bring out different activities, especially your second part question, paragraph question, so comprehension question. So you can wait for my next arrival. Definitely I will meet you.